Okay, so the value of a car, V in pounds, is modeled by the equation that is that V equals AB to the power of T. That looks
Yeah.
like the line L. So write an equation for L. Line L illustrates a linear relationship between T log TV. Okay. Okay, so well, I think we need to do part A as well. Anyway.
For part A, I got log base 4v equals -1/10t plus log base 4 40,000.
Yeah, because it's y because of x plus c essentially.
Yeah.
But your y, instead of it being y, it's log to the base 4 of v. Is that right?
Yeah.
Log to the base 4 of v equals your gradient, which is that minus a tenth? It looks like it should be. Minus
Yeah, it's -1/10.
a tenth t plus log to the base 4 of 40,000. Okay, so part B. Find in exact form the values of A and B. Okay, so oh, I see. Okay, so we have V equals AB to the power of T. So what we can do here is take logs of both sides. In particular, because we've got the first part, which is in terms of log to the base 4, we can take log to the base 4 of both sides. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Then we have log to the base 4 of V equals, and then we can use our log laws to rewrite this as log to the base 4 of A plus log to the base 4 of B to the power of T. Just let me know if that makes sense.
Yeah.
Cool. And then we can use log laws again to say this is log to the base 4 of V equals log to the base 4 of A plus T multiplied by log to the base 4 of B, using that log law where the T in the power becomes the coefficient of the log.
Yeah.
Okay, and then what else have we got? Okay, so now we've got something that's actually quite comparable to the other one. So if you think about this equation here that we wrote in part A, it's looking a lot like this one now.
Yeah.
So notice how in our first part, the t is being multiplied by minus a tenth.
Yeah. So would you just make the log base for A equal to -1/10t, and then the t log base for B equal to log base for 40,000?
Well, other way around, because the ones that have t's, we're gonna equate them. Does that make sense? It's written in a different order, but there's one expression where they both have t's.
Oh yeah.
So
So you
it
make
makes sense to equate those, if that makes sense.
yeah.
Yeah. Cool. Just give me one moment as I charge my device. Okay, so yeah. So we would say, well, the log to the base 4s are identical. Well, no, sorry, the t's are identical. So that means the log to the base 4 of B is equal to minus a tenth. Comparing this to this, because they both have t's.
Yeah.
Therefore, the minus a tenth and the log to the base 4 of b must be equal. And then from here, we can work out the value of b. Do you know how to do that using logs?
So b would be the negative 1 over 10 would be the power.
Mm-hmm.
So you do 4 to the power of negative 1 over 10.
Very good. Yeah, that's it. So b equals 4 to the power of minus a tenth. And then equally, we can equate coefficients for this term here. So log to the base 4 of a is going to be log to the base 4 of 40,000. Log to the base 4 of a equals log to the base 4 of 40,000. So therefore, well, this one, we can just say a is equal to 40,000. Make sense?
Yeah.